Guys, dito kami sa Big Beast. Kain for lunch. Outing kami ni Mrs. and then si Austin. Ayan, si Mrs. Austin. Hi, hello. So, dito kami ngayon sa Big Beast kakain. Tapos lang kami nag-order. Dito sa Robinson. Dito kami sa Robinson. Jollibee, Chowking, National Bookstore. Yan, kumakain favorite niya chocolate. Ayan. Wow.
Midnight dream cake.
Midnight dream cake.
Is it your favorite? You like it? You love it?
So what do you say to Idol? Let's eat, Idol. Yan, drinks namin ni Mrs. Cucumber. Sarap yung cucumber. Sarap na sarap si Austin na kumain ng favorite cake niya. Oh. Wow. Ubusin niya yan, oh.
Yummy lang, guys.
Yummy. Yan, yung mga favorite niyo, oh. Dandan lang. Oy. Yummy. Tasty, Austin. Huh? You like?